Hello YouTube, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this short tutorial video, I want to show you how to enable a ICT keypad to display the username and timestamp for a time and attendance functionality. So as you may know, there is a license feature in the Protege GX system called time and attendance. So it's allowing you to create basic in and out reports or time calculation, for let's say payroll, or just to know when, and how long an employee has been in the system. Okay, in some areas, when you use time and attendance for payroll, you need to basically confirm the timestamp when the user is badging, so the user can actually see when he's entering the system or leaving. He sees the name and the timestamp. Okay, so it's very easy to set up. Again, if you're using ICT Protege GX for time and attendance, this is a suggested scenario. For instance, here at Inaxsys, we have a setup on the wall with the keypad and an entry and exit reader employees are using to punch in and out of the system. And like I said, when they punch in or out, they see their name, they see the timestamp and the date. So in other words, they know that they punch at the right time. Okay, obviously, for this to work properly, the whole environment must have a time server programmed. So the GX server, the controller, and the actual maybe the clock on site. Everything is at the same time. Okay, so in this example, I'm using a closed scenario, but in a networking environment, you will want to have every pieces of equipment, whether it's the controller, the server, the client machines, everything needs to be on the same time server. Okay, all right. So very easy. Basically, in the system, I'm going to show you how to program this. All right. So let's have a look at the GX software now. All right. So here I have one keypad. It's keypad address 1 in the system. Okay. And now I have this door as I'm going to use as the entry reader. Okay, so the main entrance door. So basically, I need to go under expanders and keypads. Okay, under the options tab, make sure that none of the display options are set. Otherwise, it's going to conflict with the next option I'm going to enable, which is this one, the show time and attendance detail. Okay, now I left it to 10 seconds. This is basically how long the name of the user and the timestamp will remain on the screen. Okay, and this is the date format that I wanted to use for the keypad when I badge. Okay, then you save. You have to wait about maybe 30 seconds for the download to take place, depending on the size of your database. And then when it's done, you need to right-click on the keypad and select the update module option. Okay, and once the keypad is rebooted, then the feature will be enabled. Okay, so let's have a look at the keypad now. What happens? Okay, so if I badge my card here, we see my name, we see the timestamp and the date. Okay, so this will remain on the screen for 10 seconds. Okay, and then it's going to go back to the standby message, waiting for another user to badge. Okay, so whether if you come in or out, it's going to do that. Remember, there's one item that I didn't show you that I missed. It's very important. You need to make sure that you connect the door to the keypad. So under the configuration tab, I see here main entrance. Okay, so every keypad can have a different door or the same door. It's just going to be used to display the access event. Okay, so again, we assign the door to the keypad, make sure none of the display options are set, enable the time attendance detail, define the number of seconds and the format of the date, save. After the download, you do a module update and you're ready to test. Okay. Again, this was a very short tutorial, but again, it's something that we recommend using when you use GX as time attendance system. Okay. And I hope you liked the video. Please hit the subscribe and like button down below. And if you have any comments, remember we always reply very quickly. We're ready to help you if you have sales and support needs for ICT systems or any other system that Inaxsys is selling in Canada. All right. So thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys.